if you want to search for someone on Instagram, it's very simple to do. So the only thing you really got to do is go to your Instagram account and go to the magnifying glass at the bottom of your screen here and go into the search option at the very top. Now let's just say I want to search for, let's say, Bryce Harper, which is a baseball player. You would just type the name in. Typically, if the user has a Instagram, you'll see their option at the very top with that blue verification mark. But we can go ahead and hit the search button, and then the profiles or the search results will come up with all kinds of different things going on. So you can go ahead and hit profiles, and the person should come up at the top of the results if they have a verified account. Most celebrities and athletes have a verified account, so I'm just going to click the one at the very top here with the blue check mark. And that's it. It's super simple and super easy to go ahead and search for people on Instagram, but you can also do the same thing with different types of companies as well. So let's go ahead and type in, I don't know, Disney World, and you'll find options for that as well. As you see at the very top, it says Walt Disney World, and we can go ahead and go on that user and follow them as well. So it's that. Very simple and very easy to search for people.